What if I told you there are AI tools that can save hours of work and completely transform your business? Today, I will show you 7 powerful AI tools every entrepreneur and small business owner should know. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. You can use it to write emails, create content, generate ideas, and automate many tasks. It helps you save time and focus on growing your business instead of repetitive work. Notion AI helps you organize your work and projects efficiently. You can take notes, manage tasks, and plan your business goals all in one place. It's perfect for freelancers, small teams, or solo entrepreneurs. Zapier connects different apps and automates your workflow. For example, it can automatically send emails, update spreadsheets, or move data between tools without you lifting a finger. Jasper AI is great for creating marketing content, advertisements, and blog posts. You can produce high-quality text quickly and focus on creative strategy instead of writing everything manually. Midjourney allows you to generate professional images using AI. This is perfect for designing social media posts, banners, or visual content for your business without hiring a designer. Copy AI helps you create social media posts, product descriptions, and other marketing text in seconds. It's simple, fast, and helps maintain a consistent brand voice across all your content. Durable AI can build a full website for your business in just minutes. You don't need coding skills, and it helps you launch your online presence faster than ever.